How about a lion? What noise does a lion make? They go roar. Yeah. How about a bear? A monkey? What does a monkey make? Ooh, ooh, ooh. How about a bear? Yeah. How about a tiger? Arrgh. How about penguins? Squawk, squawk, squawk. And a chicken? Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to get the elephant.
How about a sheep? Yeah. How about the elephant? Yeah. How about the ducks? Quack, 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 quack.
What's that?
The camel? It doesn't know what noise a camel makes. I'm sorry. How about the goat? Yeah.
What's that?
The zebra? Tiger? Or the monkey?
What's that?
Which one?
Yeah.
The camel? I don't, like I said, Daddy doesn't know what noise a camel makes. You just gotta sit there.
What's that?
How about the cow? Moo. And the piggy? Oink, 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 oink.
Buck, buck. Piggies go buck, buck, Dad.
How about the horsey? Neigh. How about the goose?
Oh, that's a hard one.
Honk, 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 honk.
Yeah.
The sheep. Sheep go ba. How about the owl? Oh, are we done?